Hey, what's up guys? It's Phenology and today we are comparing the impressive OnePlus Nord N10 against a very capable Realme X7. Who will win this comparison and who will dominate? Well, only one way to find out. Availability wise, OnePlus Nord N10 was announced recently and will release sometime in November, while the Realme X7 was released on 8 September and is available to buy right now. OnePlus supports 5 bands which are GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE and 5G, while Realme supports 6 which are GSM, CDMA, HSPA, eVideo, LTE and 5G. There is bit of a difference in the thickness here as the OnePlus Nord N10 is 9mm thick while the Realme X7 is 8.1mm thick. The difference is much bigger in the weight though, as OnePlus Nord N10 weighs 190 grams while the Realme X7 weighs 175 grams. OnePlus Nord N10 has a 6.49-inch IPS LCD display, while the Realme X7 has a 6.4-inch AMOLED display. Both the phones have the same resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. OnePlus Nord N10 has a 90Hz display, while the Realme X7 has a 60Hz display. Both the phones have 406 pixels per inch and 411 pixels per inch respectively, with no HDR support on either of the phones. In the performance category, the difference is so little that it's difficult to tell which one would be better. In the benchmarks though, the MediaTek Dimensity 800U edged out just barely over the Qualcomm Snapdragon 690. It's the opposite in the GPU though, as the Adreno 619L edges out slightly against the Mali G57 MC3 GPU. For software, both run their respective skins in Oxygen OS 10.5 and Realme UI on top of Android 10. OnePlus Nord N10 has a single variant of 6GB plus 128GB combination, while Realme X7 has two variants with 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB combinations. Both the phones have UFS 2.1 storage speeds. Also, while OnePlus has a shared microSD expansion slot, Realme has no expandability whatsoever. OnePlus Nord N10 has a quad camera setup at the back with a 64MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide, a 5MP depth sensor and a 2MP macro. Realme X7 has a quad camera setup too at the back with a 64MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide, a 2MP macro and a 2MP depth sensor. OnePlus Nord N10 and Realme X7 can shoot 4K at 30fps and 1080p at 3060 and 120fps. OnePlus Nord N10 has a single 16MP camera in the front, while the Realme X7 has a single 32MP camera in the front. Here, OnePlus can shoot 1080p at 30 and 60fps, while Realme can shoot 1080p at 30 and 120fps. Both the OnePlus Nord N10 as well as the Realme X7 have the same 4300 mAh battery. However, OnePlus Nord N10 can charge at 30 watts while Realme X7 can charge really fast at 65 watts. OnePlus Nord N10 has additional features like the rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC support, USB 2.0 Type-C port with OTA support, and various sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. Realme X7 too has additional features like the under-display or flicker fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.1, USB 2.0 Type-C port with OTA support, and various sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. OnePlus Nord N10 has a single variant of 6GB RAM and 128GB storage and it's priced at 19,999 INR. Realme X7 though has two variants with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage priced at 18,999 INR and the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage is priced at 21,999 INR. Both are very close in the comparison here. However, the defining factor was the price at the end. Realme X7 is much cheaper and offers the same features and sometimes better. The only thing you will miss out on is high refresh rate display. While the Nord N10 is perfectly capable of pushing the frames, Realme X7 is a better financial choice. So that's it guys, that was the on-paper specifications comparison for the OnePlus Nord N10 and the Realme X7. Let us know in the comments below about what you think about either of the phones, and also like the video if you think it deserves one, and feel free to subscribe so that you never miss any videos in the future. Until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.